Right. Welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Okay, everybody. Right. So in the last class, I have shown you very clearly what is the project we are going to do. What are the topics we are going to discuss in the course. Okay, everyone. Right. So whoever missed yesterday class, for themselves, let me explain one more time this course related information. Then after we'll continue our class. Okay. Right. So class timings will be daily 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Class days will be Monday to Friday. Course duration will be 2 months. Okay, everybody, right? You will get pre-recorded videos, not this live recorded. But if anything is changed in the Angular classes or any version updates are there, any code changes are there, anything, I will share with you. Okay, after recording that videos, I will record and I will share with you. Okay, right? Give me a second, everyone. Right. So not this live recording, everybody. Pre-recorded videos I will give you, but any code modifications are there, any syntax changes, any updates are there, definitely that videos I will record, that videos I will share with you. No need to worry about that. And whatever the examples I teach in that videos, same examples I will teach here also. So there is no any problem. And I will share with you example files that contains the nodes, because this is a framework. So that this is the framework and MVC structure it will follow. In order to modify any small change, we need to refer at least 3 to 4 files, so that we cannot explain in the PDF file properly. Okay, everyone, so that we cannot able to explain PDF file in the okay properly. So that's why I'm sharing the notes topic by topic. So example files I will give you that contains the notes. Are you clear about this? Respond, Priyanka. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, Angular is a framework, right? So to learn frameworks or libraries, any type of things, definitely we need to have some prerequisites. Already we should know something. Why? Because these frameworks or libraries, they will develop by using any language only. So that language related basics, at least we need to have. Okay, right. So for example, what are the prerequisites to learn this course? So we need to know HTML, whatever the version also, 4, 5, 3, whatever it may be, XHTML, whatever it may be, we need to know about HTML, latest version is 5. So whatever the version, if you know, it is fine. CSS, latest version is 3, but whatever the version you know, that is fine. JavaScript or TypeScript, any one of the language you need to know. And as a part of the course, I will share with you TypeScript videos. As a part of the course, I will share with you TypeScript related videos. Okay, everybody, right? If you know any other language oops concept, that will be good. And Bootstrap version 4. So Bootstrap, if you know, that will be good. But Bootstrap related grid system related things I will explain. Bootstrap related grid system I will explain. Understand it, everybody? Hello? Bootstrap related information also, Bootstrap related knowledge also you will get, so that you will be aware of responsive designing also. Understanding it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, right. So this is about the prerequisites and what is the things you will get. Now coming to our topic, what is that? Angular related introduction. Angular related introduction. Sir, what is Angular? So very simple, everybody can easily understand. Okay, right. Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language. As I told starting of the class, each and every framework has to develop by using any core language. For example, Spring and Hibernate is there. By using which language they have developed? Java. Okay, Django framework is there. By using which language they have developed? Django. Respond, everybody.
Python.
Yes, Python. What is that, everybody? Python. Okay, Express.js is there. That is developed by using Node.js. Okay, Coordinator, Laravel framework are there. That is developed by using PHP language. So by using languages, we can develop n number of frameworks. And everybody using nowadays frameworks to develop their applications only. So do you know why they are using? Any guesses? Respond, everybody. Sometimes guesses also helps in the real time. Respond, everyone. Why everybody using frameworks nowadays to develop the applications?
Easy to build applications.
Easy to build applications. Okay. Any other answers? Right, very good everybody. It is very faster to develop the applications. Okay, everyone, it is very faster to develop the applications. Okay, we can optimize the application development time. Optimization means reducing. What we are reducing? Application development time we are reducing. Sir, how we are able to reduce the optimization? How we are able to reduce the application development time? So first of all, what we need to develop in the application? So, okay, everybody, right. So each and every application requires particular requirements. So we, as per the requirements, we need to develop the application. So that persons can be called as developers. Okay, right. So business requirements is common. Then after, what are the things we need to develop? See, not only your business requirements. Okay, everybody, right. Every application should contain three important things. What is that? Security related issues we need to consider. Okay, everybody, as a developer, if you want to develop any application, we need to focus on mainly three things. Okay, mainly three things. What is that? Security, that is the first. Second one is performance of the application, that is the second. Third one is SEO friendly URLs. SEO friendly, your application should be SEO friendly. These three things we need to focus irrespective of the business requirements. Whatever the business requirements also, whether it may be e-commerce application or a social media network application or else a news application, whatever it may be, irrespective of the your application, we need to focus on security, performance and SEO friendly. Clear it everybody? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, why we need to focus on security? What happens if I don't take care of security performance? What happens? So this is the doubt everybody will get. So for example, you are using any money transaction app. Okay, you are using any money transaction app like Phone Pay, Google Pay, anything. So you are transferring 20,000 rupees to your home. Okay, everyone, you are transferring 20,000 rupees to your home. So it is taking only 5 to 10 seconds only. But in that 5 to 10 seconds also, somebody hacked that session and he theft your money. That person has theft your money. You lost all your 20,000. So second time, whenever you want to transfer the money, do you use the same application? Respond. First time you have used it, 20,000 you lost. Second time also, do you use the same application?
No.
No. Okay, right. And most of the time people, what they will do, they don't leave, they don't keep quiet. They will go to the immediately cybercrime police station. They will complain also. So that what happens, whoever develops that application, he will lose the users. Why? Because whenever you file a complaint, any company, that will be automatically publicized by the news channels, so that other persons, they never install, and whoever install, they will uninstall also if they don't lose money, and whoever lose the money, they will file more cases also. So that what is happening, you are losing your users, that is definitely loss for your application. Not only that, you need to face some legal issues also, you need to face some legal cases also. Why? Because somebody complaining on your application, somebody complaining on your application. Why these are all things happening? Because of the security issues. Clear it everybody? Because of the security issues. Clear or not? Respond please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, because of the security issues only. Okay, everyone, because of the security issues. Why? Because if it since whoever developed that application, that person is not taking care of the security, so easily somebody hacked that session. So that what is happening, each and every user is filing complaint. So that will give very bad reputation to your app. So all your efforts will be wasted. You have worked very hard. You have developed an application to help the other people. But what is happening, because of the poor security, everybody failing case against your company. So first thing is we need to take care of security. This is the issues. And second thing is performance. Sir, what is the meaning of performance? Performing means irrespective of the number of users are using at the same time. Irrespective of the number of users are using your application at the same time, your application should work faster. Your application should work faster. For example, Instagram is there. Somebody watches reels. Somebody are busy creating the reels. Somebody busy, maybe busy while uploading the reels. But whatever it may be, irrespective of the users are using, that application is working fast or not. Respond everybody. Instagram. Respond everyone. Somebody watches the reels, somebody are creating the reels, somebody in the process of uploading the reels, whatever it may be, what is happening? That application is working faster. At a time, crores of people are using in the entire world, not only India. How many countries are there? In all the countries, most of the people are using Instagram. Okay, but still it is not hanging. Still it is working very faster. Okay, that's why it is very famous also. It is very secure. Not only that, it is very working very faster also. For example, YouTube. Crores of people are using YouTube, but still it doesn't hang if the internet connection is very fine. So that's why most of the people are using. So if that application is working faster, means what happens? Nobody uses your application. For example, you are using any money transaction app that is very secure. So you went to a curry point, there you have purchased a curry, which is 30 rupees. To transfer that 30 rupees, it is taking 3 hours time. Do you wait there? To transfer 30 rupees, it's 3 hours. Do you wait there? Respond.
No.
Respond. No. Okay. So without paying the money, do that owner will allow you to leave that hotel or curry point? No. Then what happens? That curry point owner has to wait until money has received, and he also has to wait until money has transferred. Not only you, whoever using that application, all the persons has to stay in the curry point only to transfer the money until the transaction is done. All the persons has to wait. That means what happens? That curry point owner also, that is time waste. For your purpose also, that is time waste. Then what happens? That curry point owner does not encourage your application. So whoever develops that application, that persons will lost all the users. Why? Because it is secure. It's okay, but still it is not working faster. So we cannot decide which is important, security or performance. Both are very, very important. 100% security is important. 100% performance also very important. We cannot decrease anyone's priority. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Why we need to take care of performances?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, right. And what is the other thing we need to focus? Your application should be SEO friendly. Sir, what is the meaning of SEO? SEO means what? Search engine optimization. So, for example, you are developing an application, but nobody using your application. So, do you get any income? Depends upon that application. Respond everybody. Do you get any income? Depends upon the application.
No.
No.
Okay, you don't get any income, depends upon the application. Why? Because nobody knows your application. Then what we need to do? We need to publicize our application. What we need to do, everyone? We need to publicize our application. Okay, we need to publicize our application. So if you are developing a software application, where we need to publicize? Respond. Where we need to publicize? Online or offline?
Online.
Online only. For example, if anybody promoting their application in the offline also, we will search in the Google. For example, we will see ad about Tanishq. We will see a hoarding, Tanishq Jewelers, something like that. Then what happens? We will come to our home, and immediately in our computer or in our mobile, what we'll do? We'll search in the Google first. Tanishq Jewelers, where we will search in the Google only. So if anybody publishing in the offline also, everybody now searching in the online also. So 100% we need to publicize our application, or else our business also in the online only. So in online, where we need to publicize? Definitely, if you are developing an application, we need to publicize our application in the Google. Sir, how to publicize in application? Very simple. We need to do some SEO. What is that, everybody? SEO, search engine optimization. That SEO depends upon meta keywords, meta description. Not only that, SEO depends upon the titles, whatever you are generating related to your application. Titles, whatever you are generating related to your application. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Titles also, and the URLs, whatever you are generating, both it is depends upon. Okay, that SEO depends upon the titles and URLs, whatever you are generating. Then only your application will recognize by the Google. That means any search engine. So that it is recognized by the Google or else any other famous search engine, that results will come in the first place. In the first place, first page also important, first place also important. so that you will get number of users. Daily you will get some new users. Daily you will get some new users, so that most of the people will use your application. Since most of the people are using your application, you will get more income also. Clear it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, right. So we need to take care of these three things: security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs, SEO friendly application. Okay, right. So to make this security and everything, what we need to do? We need to write code. See, God, please give to me security related code, performance related codes, SEO friendly related code. He doesn't give to you. God doesn't give to you. We need to write the code. So to write the code, if you choose any core language, whatever the application is demanding, that language you will choose. Depends upon personal choice or client choice. Okay, we'll choose any language. So if you choose any core language, minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time to develop the code related to security of the application, performance of the application, SEO friendly URLs application also. And they are interrelated. Okay, everybody, in order to generate the URL, sometimes it may trigger the security. Again, we need to consider the security and same type of URLs we need to generate. So if you are doing like that, what happens? Sometimes it will lower the performance. And again, we need to consider about the performance. So they are internally dependent also. Again and again, we need to test and we need to do that application development. So that's why it will take minimum 6 months time. So whenever you choose any core language, rather than the core language, if you choose any framework related to that language, what happens? Immediately we can download within 5 to 10 minutes, we can download, or else we can install. And within 10 to 15 minutes, we can change the basic code. And immediately what we can do, we can develop the application. And immediately what we can do, we can develop the application. Understand my point? Respond everybody. Okay. So that the framework will give you basic structure, whatever the code previously you are trying to develop, security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs, whatever the basic structure you are trying to develop by your own, same code will come, same type of code will come within 5 to 10 minutes. Why? Because that framework contains that. Security related, SEO friendly related, and performance related, structure related code, it will contains that. So within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you are downloading that or else installing that. Immediately you are developing your application. So it is reducing that much time. And whenever you are developing the application, what we need to do, whatever the structure the framework is providing, same structure you need to follow. Then what happens? Your application will be in standards. Why? Because each and every application, each and every framework, whenever anybody, any famous company developing that, they will develop according to the standards only. Since you are using the same work, what happens? Automatically that application also will be in standards. Why? Because whoever develop the framework, that they are following the standards, same standards you need to follow. Automatically your application will be in standards. Clear it, everybody? Respond.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. This is why everybody using nowadays framework. Okay, right. Okay, sir, framework is very clear. Then what about this client side? So respond everyone. We have two types of technologies in the software industry. What type of technologies? Client side technologies and server side technology. Yes, per your knowledge, respond. What is the difference between them? What is the difference between client side and server side technologies? Any guesses? See, whatever you feel, you can respond everyone. Okay, no need to hesitate.
Client side means UI like front end.
Okay,
Like server means like back end, where we will dump our code.
okay, right. Who responded, Aruna? Or who responded, everybody? Right, very good. I appreciate. Then others also respond. Okay, very good. Now see here, everybody. Client side and server side, there is clearly difference are there. For example, by using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. By using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily. Sir, what are the client side technologies we know? For example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, at least names we know. Those are all client side technologies only. Those are all client side technologies only. Okay, everybody, those are all client side technologies only. And in order to store our data temporarily, first of all, we need to create the interface. For example, I have given you a question paper to answer. After giving the question paper, what is the thing I need to give you? Answer paper. What is it, everybody? Answer paper. Why? Because if I give answer paper, then only you are able to write the answers. You cannot write in the air, right? Respond, everyone. Can you write in the air?
No.
No. We need, okay, right. We need to write. We cannot write in the air. We need to write. We need to write in the paper. So what is that paper? That is the interface. That is the interface. So in the same way, if you want to store your data temporarily or permanently, whatever it may be, first of all, we need to create that interface. Sir, how to create that interface? Very simple, by using HTML. By using HTML, we can create the forms. In the forms, user can enter their data. Okay, sir, I have created a form, but that should be beautified. Then we need to use CSS. So CSS will beautify that form. Okay, sir, I have done that also. Some user has entered the data. Then what you need to do? You cannot do anything. HTML and CSS, by using HTML and CSS only we can design. After entering data, we cannot do anything. So if you want to do anything, we need to work with the JavaScript only, but there is a client-side technology. So you can store the data, whatever the user enters in that form, we can store the data temporarily. Sir, temporarily means where we can store? Very simple, in the user's browser. Where? In the user's browser. So how many ways we can store? We can store in the 3 ways, by using cookies, local storage, and session storage. In these 3 ways, we can store the user's data in the user's browser only. Okay, everyone. Right. So that what happens? That the data is not available in the other user's browser. For example, you have a money purse. I also have a money purse, but my purse is empty. Your purse is 1000 rupees. So who can access that 1000 rupees? Me or you? Respond, everybody. Who can access that 1000 rupees? Who can use that 1000 rupees? My purse is empty. Your purse is 1000 rupees. You have. Who can use that 1000 rupees? You or me? Respond. Respond, everyone. Okay, you only can use. Why? Because you have 1000 rupees. So in the same way, I have my data in my browser. Other person's computer, I cannot access that. Why? That is stored in my browser only. Okay, whoever opens that browser, they can see the data. Okay, this is called client-side technologies. And what about server-side technologies, sir? Very simple. We can store our data permanently by using server-side technologies. Client-side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. But server-side technologies, we can store our data permanently. Sir, how we can store our data? Very simple. If you want to store our data permanently, we need to store the data in a database. Where, everybody? In a database we need to store. Clear or not? We need to store the data in a database. So the technology, whatever you are using, by using the technology, we need to connect with the database. We need to connect with the database. Okay, and by using the technology, we need to manipulate the database. Then only we can store our data permanently in the database. So the technologies, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database, to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Sir, what are the server-side technologies we have? What are they? Java, Node.js. Node.js is a server-side JavaScript, not client-side JavaScript. Okay, Node.js. Then after PHP, .NET, okay, Python. These are all the C, C++. These are all the server-side technologies. By using these technologies or like languages, at least one database we are able to connect. For example, by using PHP, we are able to connect with the MySQL. By using Java, we are able to connect with the Oracle. Understanding or not? By using Node.js, we are able to connect with the MongoDB. Clear it, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, right. So that by using these languages, we are able to connect with the database. There we can store our data. Okay, so that it will be permanent. So, and what are the other advantages storing our data in a database? One is permanent, and what are the other advantages? Just guess, everyone, and tell me. What are the other advantages storing our data in the database? Nobody knows. Give me a second, everyone. Give me a second, I will be back. Right. Yeah. Okay, everybody. Right. I'm sorry. Yeah. What is that, everybody? What are the advantages of storing our data in the database? First thing is we can store our data per minute. And what is the other advantage is data can be structured so that we can access our data faster. We can access our data faster. Sir, how we can access our data faster? Because we will provide our structure to the data. For example, all our we are all having our homes. So how we will organize our home? Where we will keep our salt, spices, and rice and everything? Where we will keep? In our bedroom or else in our kitchen?
Kitchen.
Sorry, in our kitchen. And where keep our sofas and chairs and everything? In the hall, dining table and everything in the hall. Bed sheets and everything will keep in our clothes and everything in our home. Sorry, bedroom. So all the things belongs to our particular home only. But still, what are you doing? We are keeping all our things in different rooms. Then what happens if you want to find your clothes? No need to go to the kitchen. Directly you can go to the bedroom and there you can find your clothes. If you want to find any water or else salt or anything, we can go to the kitchen. In the fridge, maybe you can find your the water bottle or else maybe in the dining table. Okay, everybody. If you want to relax, so then what happens? You can go to your hall and you can sit in the sofa by watching TV. Understand it, everybody? Right. So that what is happening? We are accessing all our things very faster. Why? Because we are organizing our home. In the same way, if you want to store your data, all the data we cannot store in a single place. For example, direct in the database, we cannot store. We need to store in the form of tables only. In the table also, sir, I will create only one table. Can I store all my data? Yes, but that is not correct. That is unorganized. That is unorganized data only. Okay, what happens? For example, each and every application contains different types of data. Some data may be products, some data related to products, some data related to users, some data related to categories, some data related to subcategories, some data related to orders, order details. So many types of data will be there. In that case, if you are storing all your data in a single table, what happens? All the time we need to retrieve all the data. And then we need to filter so that it will unnecessarily reduce the performance of the application. That's why what is the thing we need to do? We need to create a number of tables depends upon your requirement. And whenever you are expecting any type of data, we will send request only to the table. From the table only we will retrieve. So that what happens? That will work very faster. Why? Because we are clear which table is containing what type of data. So immediately we'll write a query, select star from users. So that users data will come. Select star from products. So that products will become. So that what happens? We can access the data very faster and we can utilize that also. Rather than that, if you're storing every data, what happens in the same table? What happens? Every data will get so much times we need to filter. It will reduce the application performance. So that's why I'm telling we can access our data faster. Clarity, everybody. Respond. We can organize our data. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, right. And then after, what is the other advantage? We can add dynamic behavior for our data. What is that? We can add dynamic behavior for our data. For example, I have 100 pages. In all 100 pages, I have same data. What I will do, since my application is server-side technology, what I will do, I will store that data in a database related table. Then after what I will open all 100 pages. I will write query, select star from users in all pages. Okay. Then what I will do, I will display all the users, all the content also. Then what happened? Suddenly client told, no, I want to add one more user also. What I will do? I will update in the users table. So next day what happens? No need to do. Next time no need to open all 100 pages. Automatically that updated user will display in all 100 pages also. So one table you are manipulating, one table we are adding, but it is affecting all 100 pages also. So you are changing in one place and it is affecting other places. This is called dynamic behavior. What is the meaning of dynamic behavior? If you change in one place, if it is that change is affecting other places also, that is called dynamic behavior. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. By storing our data in the database, we can add dynamic behavior for our data. Clear or not? Respond.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that we can manipulate our data at any time. Okay, everybody, right? This is one thing. And what is the one more advantage? no need to do the same work multiple times. What is that, everybody? No need to do the same work multiple times. For example, Mindra is here. Products are here. I want to purchase this beautiful t-shirt. Can I purchase the t-shirt directly? Respond, everybody. Can I purchase this t-shirt directly?
No.
No. What we should do? I need to log in.
Size.
Okay. Yeah. No. Oh, it's okay. Size and everything is fine. Okay. Right. Can I purchase the t-shirt directly? No. So I need to log in. See, after selecting the sizes and adding to cart everything, what is the other thing we need to do? I need to log in. Understanding that, everybody? Okay.
Yes.
So yeah. Right. Can you log in directly?
No,
Can you log in? No,
register.
we need to register. So whenever you're registering, what happens? You will enter all your data, and then that programmer will do? That program will store all your data in their database. For example, Myntra.com has a database. In that database, that programmer write the code today, store in the database only. So that what happens? For example, today I have purchased the t-shirt. After 2 days, I got it. Okay, think of this is Tuesday, right? So Thursday I got it. So I like this brand and this clothing also. What I will do? I want to purchase one more t-shirt from the same brand. So at that time, if you want to purchase another product second time, do you need to register again in the Myntra.com? Respond, everybody.
No.
No. Okay, everybody. No need to register again. So not only second and third time, 100 times, sorry, third time, fourth time, even 100 and 1000 time also, no need to register. One time register, that's it. That is permanent. No need to register again and again. Okay, everybody. Right. This is the advantage of this thing only. Clear it, everybody? So no need to do the same work multiple times. So for example, no need to do the registration work multiple times. One time registration is enough. Clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, right. That is it. Okay. Yeah. Then after, what is the one more advantage? Everybody can see the same information. Everybody can see the same information. For example, I have opened Wikipedia. I am reading an article about Mike Tyson, and somebody has opened Wikipedia. He is also reading an article about Mike Tyson. He is opening from USA. I am reading from India. Both will see the same information or different information.
Same information.
Getting
Why?
same.
Yeah, same information. Why? Because they are storing that Wikipedia persons are storing that data in their database. From the database only they're retrieving. Then what happens? Everybody can see the same data. So these many advantages are there. Okay, storing our data in the database. Okay, everybody, right? But ours is what technology? Client-side technology. Since it is a client-side technology, we are not able to connect with the database. Without connecting to the database, can you retrieve the data from the database? Respond, everybody. Without internet, can you access the YouTube? Without
No,
internet
sir.
connection?
No.
No.
So here also, ours is client-side technology. We are not able to. Okay, ours is client-side technology. Since it is a client-side technology, we are not able to connect with the database directly. Without connecting to the database, no need. We are not able to deal with the data. Without dealing with data, we are not able to display. If you are not displaying the data, there is no use of the application. For example, we are coming to the demo class. You are also sitting silently. I am also sitting silently in front of the computers. Do you pay the fee? Respond. Do you pay
No.
the fee? No. Why? Because this is not meditation class. This is computer class. Right, everybody? We should not sit silent. Okay. So automatically you don't pay. Why? Because I am not transferring any data. I am not transferring any data. So without data, no use of the anything, no use of anything, whether it may be human or else, whether it may be application. Without data, there is no use of anything. Okay, everybody. For example, you open Myntra.com, you have opened today 100 times, but no single product is displaying. Do you open second day? No. Out of 100, only 10% people open second day. Second day also you have opened. We have checked 200 times in a single day. Still no product displaying. Do you open third day? No. In the third day also only 1% will open from the 10. That he is also trying 400 times, but still no single product is displaying. Then what happens? He doesn't open in the fourth day. So Without data, nobody using your application. Day by day, you are losing, you will lose all your users. Clear or not? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then what is the use of this application? Then what is the use of the application? So we are not able to deal with the, sorry, what is the use of this framework? Not only application, what is the use of this framework? So we are not able to deal with the database directly, but indirectly we are able to, utilize. Indirectly we are able to utilize the data from the database. Directly we are not able to utilize, but indirectly we are able to utilize. How we are able to utilize our data? Without how we are able to utilize indirectly? By using REST APIs. What is that, everybody? REST APIs. By using REST APIs only, we can utilize our data from the database. So for example, if you open your mobile also, you can find REST APIs. So many applications are there. So tell me at least one application which is using REST APIs. Respond everybody. Tell me one application which is using REST APIs. Yes, for your guess. If you open your mobile also, you are able to see that. Respond everyone.
Like WhatsApp.
What mobile application using REST APIs? I told everyone, we are not able to connect with the database directly, but indirectly we are able to deal with the data. How we are able to deal with the data? By using REST APIs. Okay. So in real world, so many applications are using REST APIs. If you open your mobile also, you can find that which application is using REST APIs. Just guess and tell me which applications are using REST APIs. One application. Okay, I don't bother you. Rather see it, everybody. All your mobile applications, mobile apps are using REST APIs only. Why? Because, for example, you have developed an application in Android. Do iOS persons can download that? Respond, everybody.
No.
No. Why? iOS is different. So whether it may be Android also, iOS also, they are working on the what is that, operating system only. So Android and iOS both are client side technologies.
Yes.
Both are client side technologies. So that's why we are not able to connect with the, that's why they are not able to connect with the database directly. And but still they are displaying the data. How? Because they are utilizing the REST APIs. So who will create this REST APIs? Server side developers will create the REST APIs and they will share with the client side programmers. Sir, who are the client side programmers? Not only UI developers. Android programmers are the client side programmers. iOS are the client side programmers. Angular, React, everything are client side programmers only. So whatever the code they have written, they want to write related to that server side technology, they will write. And then after the server side programmers, main purpose is to generate the REST APIs only. So they will generate the REST APIs. That REST APIs they will give you. And by using that REST APIs, you need to deal with the data. Clear it, everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Yes. For example, one thing I will explain. What is that? Phone Pay. What is that, everybody? Phone Pay. By using Phone Pay, you can pay your LIC bill or not. Respond, everybody.
Yeah.
How you will pay the bill? By entering your policy number. Who is giving the policy number? LIC or else Paytm or else Phone Pay? Who is giving the LIC number? Who is giving you LIC number? LIC person will give you the LIC number, LIC policy
Yes.
number, not the Phone Pay. But
Yes.
how this Phone Pay knowing about that LIC policy number? After entering policy number, immediately it is showing what is your due, when you need to pay, how much you need to pay, when you have last paid, everything it will display. Right, everybody? How that Phone Pay is accessing the LIC related data? Have you ever think like that?
REST API.
Yes, by using REST API. So the LIC persons are giving permission, are sharing their data, whatever they have. See, for example, if you open your LIC policy, what happens? They will give some documents. You need to fill up all these documents. Then after they will allocate a policy number, they will assign you a policy. That policy related details, they will enter their application. their application means what happens? They will store in the LIC related database only. But how this PhonePe is accessing that related database? Of course, that PhonePe is not accessing that LIC related database directly, but LIC persons are sharing their database, okay, data with the PhonePe. That means that LIC persons are not sharing their database related username and password. Just whatever the data they have, that data only they will share with the PhonePe. Clear it, everyone? How? By using REST APIs. Okay, everybody? Respond, everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So that what is the advantage? No need to go to the LIC manually. We can just or else no need to register in the LIC one time and electricity department one time. No need to register in each and every application manually. Just one time you need to register in the PhonePe and you can pay your electricity bill by entering your service number. You can pay your LIC bill by entering your policy number, and you can recharge your mobile by entering your mobile number. Everything you can write there. Everything you can do. So one application, more solution. That is the advantage of the REST API. Very simple. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. One application, more usages. Previously, what happened? Everybody has to go to the offline. Then after online applications has came, then what happens? Each and every application we need to open, we need to register. Now again REST APIs came. Now one application is the solution for all our works. You can sit in your washroom also, you can transfer all your money, and whenever you come back from your washroom, all your work is done. Just again just taking the bath, and again we need to go to the office. That's it. So before going to the office, you are completing all your work. Understand, everybody? Previously, what happens? We need to leave. We need to keep a leave for all our personal works. Go to the LIC bill, go to the electricity bill, and everything. We need to take at least one leave for our personal work. But now, no need to take any type of leaves. Just by sitting in our home, we can transfer all our, we can pay all our bills, and immediately we can okay, go to our office without wasting our casual leaves. Clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
that is the
sir.
advantage of the REST APIs. This much it is reducing the work also. Okay, not only that, you can transfer the money also, anything, everything. Okay, that is the advantage of the REST APIs. Okay, everybody, right? So that's it, everyone. Leave it like this. So today class we have discussed very clearly about why everybody using frameworks, what is the advantage of the frameworks, and what is the difference between client-side technologies and server-side technology. What are the advantages of storing our data in the database, and what is the importance of REST APIs in real world, how they are useful to the human life. Everything today class we have discussed. Tomorrow class I will tell you how to utilize the REST APIs. Okay, by using this MVC structure. Just theoretically I will explain. Whenever classes is progressing, then automatically you will understand how to utilize programmatically also. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Because in the starting day class I cannot write program. If I write program, you are not able to understand. So theoretically I will explain. Then after gradually you will understand it. Clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. With the
Yes.
diagrams I will explain. Okay, right. Thank you very much, everyone. Tomorrow we'll meet. We will continue. And one more time telling, testing is not part of the course. Whoever missed yesterday class, for themselves, I'm telling, Angular testing is not part of the course. Okay, everybody. Right. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much, everybody.